Second train of today met with Union Pacific. Woo! Woo! And a horn show. Finish the shave and the haircut. Let's go! He's on that close track. He's on the close track right there. He's moving too. Looks like he's all tankers. He's moving too. He's moving. And he's moving pretty quick too. He on the move. Sorry about that, my finger was itchy and I had to scratch it real quick. And I was about to leave to go grab my lunch, because I get lunch every time I come out here. I was about to leave, but I'm glad I didn't, or else I would have missed this train. Is he an all-tanker train? Hold on. No, okay. He just got a lot of tankers on the head end, on the beginning of his train. Wow. Man. Hey! Got the 75th anniversary hoppers. Hey! Haven't seen those. Haven't seen those in a while. I've caught them before, but been a while. Norfolk Southern Steel Coil. Haven't seen any box cars yet. Sodium hydroxide tanker. Trying to name all of these like little stuff on the tank on the cars for y'all. Some nice graffiti on that tanker. Thermal protection system equipped, that tanker said. Another one. This is train number 2 of today in Metairie. Another Union Pacific with the horn show. And he finished the shave and the haircut, which is also a plus. You can actually see like the wheels moving and stuff, which I think is super cool. And like you can actually read what's on the cars. Like this Plaka tanker coming up, like I could actually read it. Like look, Plaka PROX 70540. Like I think it's really cool to be this up close like this to a train, because not only, and I said in my previous video, but not only you could see like the wheels moving and stuff, but you can also hear the train moving and all of that. There's the end. that little tanker, which is a sulfuric acid tanker. Woo! There goes train number 2 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific, with the little horn show. Not gonna get the gates going up this time. I'm gonna try to zoom in on the train as much as I can. Well, I'm gonna probably get the gates going up anyways. Probably again from this angle. There goes the gates. Train number 2 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific with the horn show. Hope y'all enjoy.